My name's Michael Cullen. I'm a furniture maker and sculptor from Petaluma, California. I've been making and designing for over 30 years, and I've also been teaching, and I write too. And we're specifically focusing on a style of box making that I developed about 3 years ago. This is a departure from the regular type of woodworking that I do, which is typically fussy, exacting, and comes with a lot of layout. What I was looking for was a departure from all that and a chance to break away and work much freer and much quicker, but with the same result, to come up with something that is very beautiful and something that is precious, something that you really, really would want to have in your home. And so that's exactly what these boxes do, but they break all the rules. There's essentially no traditional type of joinery in them. We take the ruler and put that in the most hidden spot of the workshop, and we draw pretty much everything by free line and free curve. Curve is what it's all about. These boxes are fun, they're very artistic. Much of the time, they end up looking like ceramic pieces or something that you would see out of glass. Basic box making is what I call the canvas. Once that box is constructed, then it opens up a whole world of what do we do with those shapes. We can leave it as natural wood, that's one way to deal with it. But the thing that I prefer, and something that I've been studying and actually doing, I'd say almost 30 years, is carving, specifically creating pattern and texture on these boxes. I've mainly done with hand tools, gouges, sometimes chisels, but sometimes we even work outside of that and use such things as fire or burning tools, all sorts of things. And then finally, to truly embellish the box, we add color. Color is something that I fell in love with. My favorite type of paint is milk paint, which is a casein and can be applied in layers and then sanded through, taken back, added on to create a finish that is more patina than actually paint. It just opens up a complete new world for the woodworker and the craftsperson.